Welcome back, everyone. Sorry, I just turned the light on. I forgot to. Oh, there we go. That's much better. I got the light on over my desk now. That drives me crazy during the day. But if it helps you guys out, I guess I can do that for you. All right, let's look at what we got today. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 24, homework. All right, we are on page 121. Nothing on the back today. 2 problems. I don't want to hear you complaining to your teachers. First name, last name. If you have a class number, that should also be here. Help your teachers out. Happier make them, the better class will be. All right. Draw on a place value chart to subtract. Okay. So we got hundreds, tens, and fives. So let's draw the place value chart. Hundreds, tens, and I almost wrote the number. Ones. I'm going to do it over here. 156 minus 65. Yes, that minus sign should not be in the hundreds place. Okay. Man, my handwriting's not getting better. I really got to slow down. I'm not erasing it today, though. I don't have a lot of time. All right, so let's put this out. We need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start putting these in groups of 5s also. It makes it easier when you can get rid of bigger chunks of numbers. All right. I forgot to split this like that. This one. All right. So we need 5 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 in the hundreds. Got that? 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 1. Looks great. All right. Let's look here and let's look here. We need to take away 5. Is 6 bigger than 5? Can 5 hide inside of 6? So can we go over here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes, we can. So that means we have 1 left. We have 1 left. All right. Our next number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to get rid of 6. Can we get rid of 6? Does 6 fit inside of 5? Yeah, I mean, I know teachers don't like using your fingers, but I'm going to do it real quick. All right, man, my hands look huge on here. Whoa. Sorry, couldn't help myself. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I put 6 in? Here's 6. All right, 6 is if I had my other thumb. I don't like it. I can't take all these away. There's not enough because there's only 5 here. I can't hide 6 in here because it's bigger than this. So nope, we can't do that. So we're going to go next door and borrow 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, same thing over here. Divide these up. If you draw these lines when you do the old person math or standard algorithm, all right, it keeps everything nice and neat too. But what we're doing, because we got rid of this hundreds, is we're really getting rid of this line right here. Okay, so now this is 15. If you want to cross this off and put a 0, put a 15 here, you can absolutely do that. I usually don't do that because it's already 15. Why do I need to make it 15 again? But a lot of people do, and that's fine. Okay, so now we have 15 in the tens. We have 15 in the tens. We need to get rid of 6. Remember I said, I know that's all 5. I could cross all those off because I do groups of 5. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need 6, 6. Let's count, see what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So that's 91. All right. Over here, 15 minus 6. Solve this, count up, count down. If you know this one in your head, all right, what can you do to get it? It is 9. So our answer is, here, I'll try to write this neater, 91. Still not the best, better than my usual. All right, so that's the first one. I will help you set up the second one, but I'm not going to do it for you. So we have 105 minus 53. You can already see a problem right here. We can only subtract going down. So 0 is smaller than 5, so we can't subtract. But you guys got to figure that one out. I'm going to help you set it up. Here's our hundreds. Here's our tens. Here's our ones. All right. We have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 tens. And 1 100. If you want to write them in there, go for it. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now you got to subtract. There's that. There's that. There's that. Okay. And if you want to do this way, that's absolutely fine too. Keep everything nice and neat and early. Remember, this has to be written on. If you're going to do this way once in a while, you have to make sure these line up. Ones have to be by ones, tens by tens, and hundreds by hundreds. If you move this over one way or the other, you're messing up your number. They have, even if your handwriting's not the neatest, like mine, they still have to be lined up on top of each other, or it's not going to work. It will mess everything up, and you'll start getting some crazy answers, and your teacher's not going to know what you're talking about. All right, sorry. It's the teacher in me. I got to keep this nice and neat. Just like I keep telling you, first name, last name, class number, if you have one, line your stuff up, keep it nice and neat. Makes a big difference too. It's just like doing the lines here to keep it nice and neat. All right, so now you got to subtract 53 from this. You're on your own for this one. And guess what? Like I said before, it's only the two problems. So get this done. Turn into your teacher. Smile. Make your teacher happy with your first name, last name, class number. All right? All right. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 24, page 121. I'm Mr. Short. I hope this is helping. Parents, if you're out there, feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something else I can do to help out. I'm glad to do it. I'm going to start adding some more help videos for second grade to go along with my help videos for my fourth grade. And as always, have a good night.